In this video, we'll explore these essential statistical concepts, which is mean or average, median, mode, maximum, minimum, or calculate the number of blank cells or number of non-blank cells given this data. So how can you calculate the mean or average? You can just say equal average, then select your data, close bracket, press enter. What about the median? You can say equal median, and median, it says it returns the median or the number in the middle of the set of a given numbers. You can just select your data, close bracket, press enter. The number that is in the middle is 12. So what about the mode? You can say equal mode. It says mode returns the most frequently occurring or repetitive value in an array or range of a data. Now select your data, close bracket, press enter. The number that is repetitive is 1 in this case. What about the maximum? You can just say equal max, and it says it returns the largest value in a set of values. Select data, equal maximum, close bracket, press enter. The maximum or the largest number here is 69 in this case. What about the minimum, the smallest number? You can just say equal minimum. It says it returns the smallest number in a set of values. Select your data, equal minimum, select your data, close bracket, press enter. What about the number of non-blank cells? You can just say equal count the number of non-blank cells. You can say equal counter, select your data, close bracket, enter. So here the number of non-blank cells is 17. Let's count and see if you got the right answer or use the right formula. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 is the number of non-blank cells. So how can you calculate the number of blank cells? You can just say equal count blank, select your data, close bracket, press enter. So the number of cells that are blank is 1, which is this one. Now let's say maybe you have 2 here, 5 here, and 22 here, and you are required to find the second smallest number. Second smallest number. How can you do that? You can just say equal small, select your data, comma 2, which refers to the second smallest number, this 2, and press enter. So our second smallest number here is 2. Now that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys.